everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open and navigate Google Sheets. This is perfect for beginners who want to learn how spreadsheets work. So first, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. Then type sheets.new. As you can see, the large grid in the center is where you enter your data. Each box is called a cell. The letters at the top are called columns, and the numbers on the left are called rows. So here, click on any cell to select it. You can start typing numbers or text directly into the selected cell. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see sheet tabs where you can add or switch between different sheets. You can also use the toolbar at the top for formatting, colors, text styles, and more. So as you can see, Google Sheets is organized like a digital table for storing and managing data. And that's it. Thanks for watching.